There's a certain allure to motorcycling that's hard to define. Is it the feeling of freedom as you cruise down an open highway? Is it the wind whipping past you, carrying the scent of pine needles and fresh rain? Or maybe it's the raw power and responsiveness of the machine beneath you. Whatever it is, motorcycling offers a unique and exhilarating experience. However, with this exhilaration comes inherent risk. It's crucial to remember that motorcycles offer far less protection than cars. Riders are exposed to the elements and vulnerable in a collision. That's why prioritizing safety, comfort, and skill enhancement is non-negotiable for any rider, from novice to seasoned pro. Mastering motorcycle riding isn't just about hopping on and opening the throttle. It's about understanding the dynamics of balance, momentum, and the machine itself. It's about anticipating hazards, reacting swiftly, and riding defensively. Ultimately, it's about respecting the ride and ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. So if you're ready to embrace the adventure of motorcycling, buckle up, or rather helmet up. Let's hit the road, but let's do it responsibly, equipped with the knowledge and skills to make every ride a memorable one. Safety is paramount when it comes to motorcycling. It's not just a suggestion, it's a non-negotiable responsibility. Every time you swing a leg over your bike, you need to be fully committed to protecting yourself and being mindful of others. First and foremost, invest in a high-quality helmet that meets safety standards. Your helmet is your lifeline in a crash. It's your best defense against head injuries, which can be life-altering or even fatal. Choose a helmet that fits snugly and comfortably, and always fasten it securely before you start your ride. Next, make yourself visible. Many motorcycle accidents occur because drivers simply don't see the rider. Wear bright, reflective clothing, even during the day. Use your headlight effectively, and consider adding auxiliary lights for increased visibility, especially in low light conditions. Remember, being seen can be the difference between a close call and a collision. Finally, practice defensive riding techniques, anticipate potential hazards, scan the road ahead, and be prepared to react to unexpected situations. Maintain a safe following distance, be extra cautious at intersections, and always signal your intentions clearly. Defensive riding is about staying one step ahead and minimizing risks, ensuring a safer ride for you and everyone around you. While safety is the top priority, comfort plays a significant role in enjoying those long rides and epic adventures on two wheels. A comfortable rider is a more alert and focused rider, which contributes to overall safety. Proper posture is essential for a comfortable ride. Adjust your handlebars and controls to ensure a natural and relaxed riding position. Your back should be straight, your arms slightly bent, and your wrists in a neutral position. Avoid hunching over or stretching too far, as this can lead to fatigue and discomfort. Investing in ergonomic accessories can greatly enhance your riding comfort. Consider a windscreen to deflect wind blast, heated grips for colder rides, or a more comfortable seat designed for long-distance riding. These small additions can make a world of difference, especially on extended journeys. Don't forget about regular breaks. Just like driving a car, long hours on a motorcycle can lead to fatigue discomfort. Plan regular stops to stretch your legs, hydrate, and give your body a break from the vibrations and riding position. A refreshed rider is a safer and more attentive rider. Motorcyclists are exposed to the elements in a way that car drivers aren't. Rain, wind, sun, and even insects can all impact your ride. That's why choosing the right gear is crucial for both comfort and safety. Invest in a high-quality riding jacket and pants that offer protection from abrasion and impact. Look for gear with armor in key areas like the elbows, shoulders, and knees. Choose breathable and waterproof materials to stay comfortable in various weather conditions. Don't underestimate the importance of good gloves and boots. Gloves protect your hands from wind, insects, and abrasion in case of a fall. Sturdy boots provide ankle support and protect your feet from injuries. Look for gloves with reinforced palms and boots that are both comfortable and protective. Remember, layering is key for adapting to changing weather conditions. A base layer for warmth, a waterproof outer layer for rain, and a mid layer for insulation can be combined and adjusted as needed. Being prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way will make your rides more enjoyable and safer. Motorcycling is as much about skill as it is about passion. Mastering the art of handling a motorcycle takes practice, patience, and a commitment to continuous learning. It's about developing a deep understanding of how your bike responds to your inputs. One of the best ways to enhance your riding skills is to enroll in a certified motorcycle safety course. These courses provide comprehensive training on basic riding techniques, motorcycle control, and safe riding practices. You'll learn from experienced instructors in a controlled environment, gaining valuable skills and knowledge. Practice makes perfect, but it's crucial to practice safely. Find a large, empty parking lot or a quiet road with minimal traffic to hone your skills. Start with basic maneuvers like clutch control, braking, and turning. Gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence and proficiency. Remember, mastering motorcycle riding is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, a skill to refine, or a technique to perfect. Embrace the learning process and never stop seeking ways to improve your riding abilities. Beyond the basic skills, becoming a truly skilled motorcyclist involves developing your riding instincts. This means learning to read the road, anticipate potential hazards, and react intuitively to changing conditions. One crucial aspect of this is mastering the art of observation. Keep your eyes moving, scanning the road ahead for potential dangers. Look for cars pulling out, pedestrians crossing, or debris in the road. The sooner you spot a hazard, the more time you have to react safely. Another important skill is learning to anticipate the actions of other drivers. Remember, drivers often don't see motorcyclists, so it's up to you to anticipate their moves. Be aware of blind spots, watch for cars changing lanes, and be prepared to brake or maneuver if necessary. Ultimately, honing your riding instincts is about developing a heightened sense of awareness when you're on the road. It's about trusting your gut, reacting instinctively to potential dangers, and always being prepared for the unexpected. This sixth sense develops over time with experience and a conscious effort to stay alert and aware. One of the most rewarding aspects of motorcycling is that the learning never truly ends. There's always something new to discover, a skill to refine, or a challenge to embrace. This continuous learning process keeps the ride exciting and helps you become a safer, more confident rider. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. Consider taking an advanced riding course, joining a motorcycle club, or embarking on a long-distance touring adventure. Each experience, whether it's learning a new repair skill or conquering a challenging road, adds to your repertoire and enhances your enjoyment of the ride. Seek out knowledge and advice from experienced riders. Attend motorcycle shows, read motorcycle magazines, and engage in online forums to learn from others who share your passion. The motorcycling community is vast and welcoming, and there's a wealth of knowledge to be gained from those who have already logged countless miles. Remember, the journey of motorcycling is one of continuous growth and discovery. Embrace the learning process, never stop challenging yourself, and most importantly, never lose that sense of wonder and excitement that comes with riding on two wheels. Motorcycling is a thrilling and rewarding experience, but it's crucial to approach it with a healthy dose of respect. Respect for the ride means understanding the inherent risks involved and taking every precaution to ensure your safety and the safety of others. Never ride under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Just like driving a car, operating a motorcycle requires your full attention and coordination. Impaired riding is incredibly dangerous and puts you and others at risk. Maintain your motorcycle in top condition. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your bike is safe and reliable. Check your tire pressure, fluids, brakes, and lights regularly. A well-maintained motorcycle performs better and is less likely to experience mechanical issues that could lead to an accident. Ride within your limits. It's tempting to push your boundaries, especially as you gain experience. However, it's vital to ride within your skill level and comfort zone. Don't attempt maneuvers or ride at speeds that make you feel uncomfortable or unsafe. As you embark on your motorcycling adventures, remember that safety, comfort, and skill enhancement are not just suggestions. They are the cornerstones of a fulfilling and enjoyable riding experience. Invest in quality safety gear, from a well-fitting helmet to protective clothing and footwear. Make yourself visible to other motorists and practice defensive riding techniques to anticipate and avoid potential hazards. Prioritize comfort by adjusting your riding position, investing in ergonomic accessories, and taking regular breaks on longer rides. Choose gear that protects you from the elements and allows you to adapt to changing weather conditions. Never stop learning and honing your riding skills. Enroll in safety courses, practice in safe environments, and seek out advice from experienced riders. Embrace the continuous learning process that comes with motorcycling, and never stop striving to improve your abilities. Remember, motorcycling is a privilege, not a right. Ride responsibly, respectfully, and always with safety at the forefront of your mind. The open road awaits offering endless possibilities for adventure and freedom. Ride safe, ride free, and enjoy the journey.